My name is Amy Booker, and I'm a Homeworks by Precept consultant. Today we are taking a look at the new Logos Chemistry Kit. Come join me as we look inside the box. You might see a science experiment or two along the way. This is the brand new Logos Chemistry Kit that pairs with the BJU Press 5th edition chemistry. Your books should match the picture on the front of this kit. If you have a different edition, contact a Homeworks by Precept consultant to help you. Inside the box, you will find most everything you will need to complete the chemistry labs as assigned. Some items will be normal household items that you should already have at home, or you can pick up at your local store. The orange manual is very helpful and even has a complete list of supplies needed in the front. Pictured here, we have lots of measuring tools, including a caliper and a glass thermometer. Here we have test tubes, marbles, gloves, and metal samples from aluminum to zinc. Look at all these cups. From plastic to glass beakers, goggles, and even a funnel. So many uses. We can't wait to see how we use them. In this edition of the Logos kit, there is a neat tray to keep all these bottles organized. These liquid chemicals have many uses, from pH indicators to purifying water. How do you think we will use the hand soap? As you can see, this kit brings the lab into your homeschool, giving your student a hands-on learning opportunity. This kit can be used by several students with only a few items that would need to be replaced. They have made it even more affordable by offering a refill kit containing those items. The Great Biscuit Bake-Off was lab number 1. This experiment has now become one of our family's favorite recipes. Yum, I can smell them now. This was the Forces of Nature lab. Watching these two enjoy science and learning was so much fun. They even found other things around the house to keep the experiment going. That was an awful lot of stuff in that box. I'm not sure it's going to go back in. Now that you have seen what's inside the box, and you've seen a couple of experiments, what are you waiting for? Call your Homeworks by Precept consultant to order a kit for your student. Make your life easier for this next school year. And don't forget, Mr. Harmon always says, grams to moles, periodic table.